Hello friends, welcome to yet another Frontend Mentor challenge. So here we are going to create this Huddle landing page with alternative featuring block. Actually, I have done a similar challenge earlier also, Huddle landing page. So but it is a different challenge and it is of a junior level. So that was of newbie level. So it is a bit complicated, but see the site, it is looking so good. And those who don't know what is Frontend Mentor is a site in which you get many challenges, in which you get professional level JPG files uh, designed by top designers, and then you have to create it in a HTML CSS and sometimes in JavaScript also. See, this one has only HTML CSS. Some of them has a bit of JavaScript, not that much of JavaScript, only a bit of JavaScript. So we have to create this cool things, and they will give us almost everything. But this is how actually real project works. We'll get this from the designer and we have to create it. Sketch and Figma file, generally we get Sketch or Figma files, but that is with the pro versions. Sometimes we get the JPG files also, and we can work with the JPG files also. So I will this widget challenge hub. Hope you are able to hear me. Hope you are able to able me. Okay, so this download starter I will do, and it is downloaded. Let me open it. It is here. I generally prefer to take it to my D folder. And there is a YouTube is there. Generally, I keep all my things here, YouTube, and then extract here. Okay, we remove it, and this is quite big. I will do it in VS Code, so it will be quite big if I give this complete name. So let me remove this much. Okay, this much I have removed. Then I have come inside. Then CMD code is there. Okay, so what they have given us, let us see. They have given us the index file, index.html file, and this style guide also is there, which is very important. Style guide is very important. And then they had given us this design. See this desktop design, desktop design, desktop preview. So desktop, these things will be there like this will be a bit complicated. Then the mobile design also they will give. Okay, so these are the things which they are going to give us. So index.html is there. So now if I, where should I remove this thing? Yeah, so I have to go live with live server, and this is the extension, very cool extension. Oh, okay, actually I should not go live on the style guide. Guide, I should go live here, although it doesn't matter. So this is what they have given us. All the means all the text they have given us, and this is also they have given us, but it will see like this. We can't see it like, okay, I should open the design also. So design preview. So not design preview, design desktop design. So this one. So it should look like this. So all this text are there. So they have given us this text, but nothing else they have given us. And they have given us the images also. All the images also they are given us. Okay, so this is like this. So back to the index. So the main task is, even before CSS in any project, is to create the structure of the HTML. So to divide the page, that is the main task. Okay, so for that, see, it is so many things are there. Okay, and so let me remove some of the things, and let me increase the font size. No, this is too much big. Okay, landing page with alternating blocks, it is this much. X. Okay, this is also something which we don't need, so I removed it. And this is also something which I don't need, so I have removed this. And now it is done. Now we have to do the main things, which is we have to create the structure. So there will be mainly two parts. One is the header part, and one is the main part we are going to do. So this header and the main part will contain all these things, all these other things, and this header main, and there will be a footer also. So footer is below, the footer is very nice. So this is a very professional looking site. Means if we complete this whole front-end mentor, I think I will complete it someday. So I will complete it. I will take this challenge, I will complete it. And we will learn so much if we will complete. There are many exercises here. Okay, so I will contain the header, the main part, and the footer. So let us do that. I am here, and in body I'll do header. So we are going with semantic. Okay, so what is there in the header? Header, I have to see it here. Okay, Huddle, and build the community of fan in love. This thing they might have given us. Okay, so try it for free. And all these things, this button and all these things are there. Okay, so build a community, Huddle reimagined way. Okay, so these things are there. Get it for free. And grow together is not here. Okay, get it for free, and it is like this. And okay, so try it for free is actually a button. Try it for free is a button. If you can see, try it for free is a button here. So we have to create that. So we will create that button. First thing is there is we'll wrap everything in a container. Dot container, we'll wrap everything in a container. Okay, then so we'll also give the classes which we are soon going to create. Nav dot flex I'm going to give, and there will be this Huddle image, this logo will also be there. So we will create that. img dot logo, and src is images logo dot svg. Alt is, let's call it logo, and class is also logo. It's better to self close this. Okay, it's better to self close this. Okay, then try it for free. It will be button.btn. So button.btn will be there. Try it for free. This much is done, and then after the build the community with fan you love. So this is nav bar we have created, nav bar. Okay, now dot flex will do, and this div is here, this header is here. Okay, this class flex is there. Then inside this again div will be there, and we are going to use flexbox because we are going to divide it. Means not here, but if you see this two part we have to divide it, so we have to create a div here. Okay, so two divs will be there. One div will contain everything, get started for free and all these things, and one div will contain the image. Okay, so this all I will move top, and div, another div I will do, and let's put the image also first. Image dot header dash img. Okay, src is images illustrations. It is svg images illustration mockups dot svg, this one. So you cannot figure it out from here because this is an svg. So let me write it. Illustration. Okay, it is giving. So I don't want to write it completely. I'm lazy like most of the developers. Mock ups. Okay, so this is there, and then get started for free, and all this now we have to write for here. So it is h1, so we will give a h1 h1 okay. This is a paragraph tag. btn button btn primary. Okay, so like this. Bottom, what is the spelling? It's not bottom, it is button. So put it here, save it, and so let me see now. See, this image have also come. See, this nice, but it is not the flex. Even the flex property we have not given it, but it will not take much time. This thing is much important to do. Okay, so header is done. Now the next thing is the main part, the main section. Main section is means this all we are going to create. So the main section we are going to do, main is there, and dot container I'll give dot box dot flex. So box flex I will give, and here, so we will have, let's see, 2-3 things are there, but they're quite similar. Okay, so we are going to give that dot box flex, and inside this again there are two parts is there. One part contains this one and one part contains this, and this is a very good example of using flex for, to having two divs. Okay, so div, okay, h2 grow together, and p, so grow together I have written, so p is this one. Okay, p is this one, and then this div, and this div box flex is ending here. So where is this div box flex ending, and where is this one? This is a way to divide it. So because we are going to use the flex property there, so it will be very easy. img dot no dot is required here. Image source dot images illustration grow together.svg. So just write grow together. Okay, so like this is there, flex like this, save it. If I come here, see, this one is like this. Oh, it will be much nicer. So let us complete the other two sections, because there are other two sections also are there, these two sections. So we'll complete those. So this container is there, and this box flex is there, and one more thing I wanted to tell. Okay, we will have some more here. Okay, flowing conversation. Okay, whatever. Okay, so the box flex is there. Let us do this again. Box flex. So you have to do this for 3 times. This thing. Okay, this thing we have to do for 3 times. So let us do that for 3 times. Okay. Yeah, I will copy it and then I will change it 3 times. Okay. So second one is flowing conversation. Flowing conversation. Where is the flowing conversations? This is the grow together. After the grow together, it is flowing conversations. Flowing conversations is this one also different. Flowing conversations. Flowing conversation, whatever, conversation is more than enough. Okay, then the last one is your users. Am I right? Yeah, your users. I'm right. Users. Okay, no, ready to build your community is not here, so it will be this much. Okay, okay, and this one is your users. Illustration, your users, and all this. Let me make it your users. Okay, your users I have done, and now the thing is there. Ready to build a community thing is there. Okay, so this is a bit different. This is not a main part, because see, ready to build a community, it is a box type of thing which is coming half here and half here. Okay, this is a very good design. So we will do this. Where is my main ending? Main is ending here. Main is ending here. After that, dot container dot center is there. Dot box dot small dash box is there. And if I come here, this is some h2 is there. So h2 is ready to build your community, and after that a big button is there. Okay, so button dot btn. Let's use some classes like bootstrap. Button dot button primary dot btn big Okay. Get started for free. Okay, so now the footer is also quite big. Okay, so this much I have done. See, this is only the main part. See, ready to build a community is coming here. So the thing is that now the footer part will come. Where is the footer part? Yeah, this Huddle and this Lorem and all those things we have to do. So that is also quite big, because see, this footer is so big. Okay, so this is only taking half an hour. We are doing this only. Yeah, this is very cool. But this is a complicated site. This is not that much easy site. This is such a nice looking site. Okay, so here let me do footer. See, when we will do the CSS, it will be very easy. The main thing is not is the CSS. The main thing is putting the site together, putting this div and all these things. That is the main thing. Okay, so dot container and we have this that logo also. So img src images and logo dot svg alt is logo. Okay, and then after that inside the container only I have done. Okay, so we'll have everything under a unordered list. Okay, unordered list, we'll have everything under unordered list, and then after that we'll fix it unordered list. So all these things will be under unordered list. Will be under one ul, this will be under another ul, this will be under another ul, this will be under another ul, something like that. Okay, so for that, the first thing which I'm going to do is dot flex. So we're using this flex class a lot because it is all used flexbox. So we'll give it at one place only, that flex and display flex is flex and all those things, and it will be done at a lot of places. Dot align start like this, and then unordered list and li into 3. This is the shortcut. Okay, li into 3. Okay, why I have taken it 3? See, because 1 2 3, these 3 things are there. Okay, so and the image I have taken outside. So the first thing is there is this li is here. Yeah, it should be formatted well. Okay, li is here, and then the phone number is here, sample is here. Okay, well, let me check if someone is, everything is okay. Okay, I'm taking this classes, this live stream at any time. Means I'm nowadays a bit busy, so whenever I find time, I just take them. But sooner, from next week, I will give a proper time for this live stream and promote in advance. At least people should know when I'm doing live streaming, and I should be means doing it at the same time. So we'll get the order from next week. There is some news. Okay, so get the order, an order list, and again li into 3. Okay, li into 3. Why did we did li into 3? Because about us, what we do, and FAQ. About us, what we do, and FAQ. About us, what we do, FAQ is there. Okay, and then this 3 also we will do. It is also like this one. Okay, so again, and another list li into 3. Okay, career, blog, contact us. So these are there. Okay, so after this copyright, do we need it? Yeah, copyright also we need it, but we need this thing, this icon. So, and they have not provided us, and this is actually font awesome icon. And font awesome nowadays it's very difficult to get. Okay, I will import that font awesome, but before that, let us just assume that they are there and do it. I should have done it earlier. Okay, okay, and let's do it later. Ul dot social dash media li into 3. So it is like that. Actually I should have some anchor tag also inside, but I don't know that much things like that, and it generally do it wrong. So here uh, a dot circle will be there, and actually it will be hash. Let it go nowhere. A dot class circle, and then I. So this is how we do font awesome. I dot fab dot far Facebook f. I have done. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me copy this 2 times. This one and this one, circle. All of them is circle. For this will be Twitter, and this will be for Instagram. Okay, for Instagram. And let us complete the last thing, which is the, where is it? Yeah, this one. Then we will do it. Okay, where is my container is sending here? So this is the copyright. Okay, so the one thing which is remaining, it is the style sheets. So we have to add the style sheet, and as I have told, we have to add the font awesome also. So link css style.css is okay, and let me try to find the font awesome. It's very difficult to find a font awesome. Is newer version of font awesomes are not good, because font awesome I actually require a 5.12 font awesome 5.12 CDN. Okay, so the CDN I have got, and okay, this is a good CDN. 5.12. This one I want 5.12.1, and this one is okay. Okay, copy link tag is much better to get the. Why I will do something like this. Oh, I don't want this integrity and all these things. They're not required. So I can remove these things. If I'm giving it here, then here also I should give. So if font awesome is working, then I will get these icons, or else I will not get. So nobody will understand what is far and all those things. So let me go to the footer. Yeah, font awesome is working fine. Okay, so now it's the time to create the CSS. Okay, so now the time to create the CSS, and the one of the thing which we need to do is to have this two fonts. Okay, so they have not given us one font this time, they have given us two fonts. Okay, this okay, they are telling that you can use any one of this. Okay, so let me copy this. So they're asking us to use Poppins 600 and Open Sans also they are asking us to use. So yeah, let me give it here. Poppins I will give. Poppins they're asking me to use 600. Where is 600? 600 semi bold. Yeah, this one is okay. And the other one is what? Open Sans. Let us find it here only, because we have to combine it. See, it should be combined like this. So where to find it? Browse fonts. Open Sans. Yeah, Open Sans. This one. Open Sans. How much they have given us? Open Sans they have given us 400 and 700. Okay, so where is the 400? I generally take the regular. You should not take this 400 and 700. Italics you should not take. So this is a combined thing with Open Sans and Poppins and all those things. So let me come back here. And so where is my style? Okay, I have not even created this. My style.css. Is it style.css? Yeah, it is style.css. So this will be like this. Let me close it. I think is the font size a bit, because anyways I'm going to do the CSS, so it is okay. So start, as always we'll do box sizing is border box. Okay, so first we'll give the general styles. Okay, body is color is HSL. Okay, this all colors that we will take from here. So HSL, this one very dark, yeah. So this one I will take, and this one is the color, and then font family is these two, Poppins and Open Sans. So how to take that? No, font family is not here Poppins, but here it is Open Sans. So let the sheriff be there, and I will do. So Google font we have to always take in quotes. Open Sans, we have to take it like this. Okay, but Google fonts have these things also. And FC font size is 1.15 em. So we are setting the body, and margin is 0. Save it like this. You'll have, okay, now let's do those h1 comma h2 which we have created. Okay, so font family is Poppins comma, let me do is serif. Okay, Poppins comma serif. Now let's see how it is looking. Yeah, now it is looking h1 and h2 is here, so they are looking perfect. Okay, now p, if you can see the p is a bit lighter. Okay, so p opacity is 0.6. Save it. And image is taking the full thing. I mean, image, the max it should be only 100%. So see, the images are taking way too much. Actually we have not given flex. We'll give flex, half the things will be solved. Okay, img is max width is 100% is required. Actually, when it will be required when we are going to do that flex box, it will be required at that time. Okay, so now the next thing we'll do the button. So let's do the buttons. Okay, so there are a lot of buttons here. So btn button, and border radius is not background repeat, border radius is 50 px, background color is fff, and border is none, and box shadow is box shadow they generally don't give, we have to take it on ourselves. 10 px rgba 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0.15. Cursor is pointer, and font size is 16 px, and font weight is 700, and padding is not auto, padding is 15 px and 60 px. Okay, like this, and a lot of the buttons will be fixed. See, this button is there, and how many buttons are there? This button is there, these two buttons are there, so three buttons are there. So now we'll do there is a btn primary also. If you come here, so some of them are buttons, some of them are this btn primary is there. So this one is also there, and this one is also there. So let us do that. Btn primary, and background color is not fff, but background color they have given us, and it is this one, pink. Background color is this, and color is ff. Save it. See, it is looking so good, this one and this one. Okay, so now we'll come to one of the main thing, which is a container. See, container we have a lot of places here. So we have a container at all the places because we have created the container at all the places, because see, if we can see this is not complete. So that's one of the reason we have created this container dot container now, and padding is 0 and 20 px, and margin is 0 and auto, and max width is 100%, and width, so width also we have to take, width is 1000 px, and save it. So max width also they give, but they generally give a lot, this much is not required. Okay, so see, everything has centered. So margin 0 auto is the trick here. Margin 0 auto means top down is 0, and bottom and all these things are there. So this is cool. Okay, so with this much is there, and then we have a center at a lot of places we have given. If you can see, center also we have given at one place. This ready to build your community, so let us do that also. Dot center, and it will be text align is center, And now one of the main thing which we are going to do, which is the flex class. Okay, the flex class is very important, flex class, because it is at a lot of places. See, 5 or 6 places it is there, and it will fix half of the project. Dot flex, and display is flex, line items is center. Okay, see, these two images are fixed. Okay, image and this side is fixed, this is fixed, this is fixed, this is fixed. Half of the thing is fixed because these were all inside flex, these 4 things were inside flex. So this is all done. Okay, so as I've told, a lot of things will be done. And with the flex, we will give a flex of 1 to all the children. So what is flex of 1? Flex of 1 means give equal size to both of them. So dot flex div comma dot flex. Some of them are ul also. So see, ul, why I'm telling this ul. See, if I go here, see, this is also done. Okay, so flex of ul is at the end. This, if I come here, see this flex, this flex, this has got ul, so its children's are ul. So then we have to give the flex of 1. Flex of 1 equally divide everything. Okay, so after that we are done. Then there is something known as align start also. Align start also we have given. See, flex of 1, it is looking perfect. Okay, so there is something which we have given it a lot of places, this align start. Not a lot of places. Okay, this align start, and it is lorem ipsum. Okay, align start, align items is flex start. So let's see, it is like this. Now also it is like this. Okay, we'll see it. Okay, 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 no problem. So we will fix our header first. So header is not completely done, means see, a lot of things are there in a header. So this in the, even the navbar is with this header, and this is not yet done. The header is not yet done, so we'll do the header first. Okay, so everything has a background image. Okay, so this header will come here, header, and then background, background images, url images, bg hero. Why dot is coming? Dot I have given only one. bg hero desktop.svg. If I give this, see, this will come, but this is not good. So we have to use the yeah, this background size is cover, and background position is center. Okay, and then background color is this one, and this one. Background color is this one. Okay, so I've done header. So see this, Header only this much images has gone. Okay, so now we will do for the nav. So if I come here, let me go up. So header is this one, and nav is the nav bar. Okay, so I will come here, and then the nav is align items is center. Nav is also flex, so the flex is already there. So if I give it align item center, so it will be according to that. And justify content is space between, space between, and there is a margin is also there. Okay, what I'm doing, margin bottom, so there is a margin bottom is there also. So 40px is there, and not a, control s and c, this is done. So this margin is, I'm talking about this margin bottom. Okay, so after that is the this one header image we are going to do. So dot header image and margin left, margin left is 20%, and width is not 100%, width is 80%. Okay, so it is done. Header image, this one we have fixed, and it is looking quite good. Okay, actually we forgot something here in the header, because there is no padding or something, and it is not looking good. And that is padding, we have to give top, mainly the top and bottom, the padding should be there. So see, now it is looking better. Okay, now it is looking perfect. So what we have here is looking perfect. Okay, so now it is done, header is fixed, all the header is fixed. Now it's style for the boxes. All the boxes we have to add the styles, and the small box also we have to add the styles. So all these boxes we have to add the styles. So all these boxes, all these boxes, all these boxes, all this box we have to use box, and the small box, that small box is this one, small box is this one. Okay, so we'll add the styles for that. Dot box and background color is not this, background color is, yeah, this time this only FFF, and border radius, not background repeat, it is border radius is 15px. Box shadow we are given somewhere. Let's use this one only. Box shadow is this, and margin is 40px0, and no, I don't want anything like this. Padding is 60px. Save it. Now let's go back and see the box. See, the box is done and looking so good, but this is not like that box. So this is a, we have to create for this. Dot, see, with this box shadow everything look awesome. This small box display is inline block, and position is relative. Okay, margin bottom is, so this margin bottom tricks. Okay, by this margin bottom trick only we are going to move it minus 50%. See, we have moved it. Okay, and we have to give a z index also, z index or z index, whatever you said. So it will come into play. Now the boxes are these are all created and this is also done. Now it is the time to do the footer. This footer we have to do. So let us come to the footer. Footer, background color, this one, color is, so background color is dark for the footer. Hash fff, padding is 180 px, 0 and 60 px. So see, with this much only it is almost done. Okay, with the padding we have brought it down. Okay, so now footer unordered list, and it is list, style type is none. So those things are gone. Footer ul align, and margin bottom is 20 px, and footer dot social dash media, footer social media, display is flex, align item is center, justify content is center. So see, this is done, the social media, but some padding is required. Okay, now there is a, if I come down to footer, there is a circle in each of the class. Okay, this circle is there. So footer dot circle, so this, because this is the circle will come actually. So border is 1 px solid hash fff, and border radius is 50%, and color is fff, display is inline, there is something known as inline flex, the display will be that. So it is a type of flex. You can see my flexbox tutorial to learn more about inline flex. And align items, so all the other properties will be like this only, flex type only. Align item is center, justify content is center. So see, the social media icons are taking place, and some margin, let me give some margin. Margin right is 10 px, and height is 40 px, and with height and width should be same. Width is 40 px. Again, text decoration is none. Okay, see, now it is perfect, looking perfect. Okay, now this we have to do footer p, text align is not left, text align is right, and it is done. Okay, so now our footer is also done, so means our whole site is actually done. Only the thing which is remaining is what is a mobile view. Yeah, is a mobile view. So let me close it, come here, design, mobile design. So everything is like okay. This one is different, so let me go back. Okay, so we'll come here, style, media query. So with flex, not much is required, but then also it is not like that very less things will be required. Yeah, because this is a complicated project. Media, uh, screen, yeah, screen will be there, but and we also have to give, and max width is 768 px, like this. Body, text align is center, and okay, let me do it like this. Okay, so these are all also different. It's much better to do it like this. Okay, text align is center, nav dot flex is flex direction is not column. The flex direction will change. Flex direction is row. Okay, and the header image is coming wrong. This header image, is margin top 40 px and margin left 0, and width again is 100%. Now it is perfect. Okay, and then the flex, see, this all are also coming wrong. Dot flex direction will change now. Flex direction is column, it will become the column. So if it become the column, now it is perfect. See, it should come like this only. Everything should be below, grow together. Flowing conversation, your users, all these things are there. Okay, Okay. So there is a issue. See, if you can see this grow together and all these things, they are in a different direction. Okay, so if I come here and grow together is on the top and the image is on the down. So how to fix that? Okay, so let us write the style first and then we'll fix it. So it is box reverse. So box reverse mobile. Let us put this box reverse mobile, and it is flex direction, not row reverse, but flex direction column reverse. Okay, flex direction column reverse, and this box reverse mobile, we have to go back. Paste it here, paste it here. Anyone you can post. Okay, so it is all done. Okay, now some footer things also we need to fix. Okay, so now we'll do the footer thing. Okay, footer on order list, it is padding is 0, width is 100%. Padding is 0 and width is 100%. This only I did it. Very good. Footer p text align is center. Save it, and it is all fixed. It's looking perfect. This is also fixed, and this is also fixed and of full size. So this is a very good looking site. If you want, you can take this site and add it in a portfolio or for a client or anyone, and the code will be there. So this is a very good site. Okay, so very good looking site, and it was not that much easy. It was a bit tougher also. So with this I will conclude this Frontend Mentor challenge. Let me now. Okay, yeah, so with this the Frontend Mentor challenge will complete. Hope you like this stream. I'll do 2-3 more Frontend Mentor challenges, maybe one more Frontend Mentor challenges, and I will one day also complete the complete Frontend Mentor site also. So if I go here, means it's okay, I'll complete one day complete. So with this I will end this stream, and I will see you soon. But please do subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.